smell? Warm, buttery garlic bread fresh from the oven? Today, I'm showing you how to make the best classic garlic bread. It's crispy on the outside, pillowy in the middle, and yes, it only takes 20 minutes. Trust me, you'll crave this with everything. Let's get into it. Here's what you need. 1 baguette or a classic Italian loaf, about 100 grams of unsalted butter. That's half a cup, and make sure it's nice and soft. 3 garlic cloves, all minced up. 2 tablespoons fresh parsley chopped. Half a teaspoon salt, a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. And if you're feeling a little extra, a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. First, slice up your bread. Go for diagonal slices about 1 inch thick. That's the sweet spot. You get a crispy edge, but the center stays soft and dreamy. Don't go too thin or you'll lose that fluffy bite. Next, let's make garlic butter magic. Grab a bowl, toss in your softened butter, minced garlic, parsley, salt, and pepper. Use a fork or a spoon and mash it all together until everything's creamy and spreadable. If you want, now's the time to mix in a little Parmesan for that extra flavor punch. Now take your bread slices and spread that garlic butter on thick. Don't be shy, this is not the time for restraint. Make sure every corner is covered so every bite is packed with flavor. Lay your slices out on a baking tray lined with parchment paper, buttered side up. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes. Watch for those edges to turn golden and crisp. If you love a little crunch, broil them for another minute or 2, but keep an eye out. Garlic can burn quick. Now the best part, pull apart a slice. Hear that crackle? Look at that steam rising, buttery and garlicky and absolutely irresistible. Honestly, I could eat this just by itself, but it's perfect with pasta, soup, or even dipped in marinara. Every time I make this, it disappears in minutes. So if you try this classic garlic bread, let me know in the comments. Do you add Parmesan, chili flakes, or keep it old school? And if you want more easy, delicious recipes, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!